Match will start in 3, 2, 1. Fight, robots, fight! It says 3-minute match, but it's 2.
Flurpy him.
Turn it up all the way, because you got nothing to lose.
The status weapon attack. Ooh, those wires.
We seem to be stuck.
Yeah.
Pausing the match.
Yeah, I think I'm stuck.
Pausing the match.
That's enough of that.
It's twitching.
That's the nature of the...
Flurp.
You're going in.
Give me the hammer, please. I'll try to confirm. There, it stopped.
The no save zone.
You may put the
The
hammer
tree.
Okay, he's not gonna the crap out of that
center
thing.
of the stick.
Let's see how to grab this piece of wreckage without hurting anything. There you go.
All right.
It beat that you.
Yes.
That makes him feel so much security.
That was a 4-letter word in robot. Your mouth out with lithium smoke.
Match roll is resumed once Lester gets down. 3, 2, 1, fight! And it was the 4th of July. It is surprising that he hasn't hit his own robot.
I have.
The other robot? 1 minute remaining.
Cutting them up there.
Okay, I get it.
Well, a heck of a drive motor.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
It has a mind of its own.
Oh no!
Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's over. Bravo, bravo.